Welcome back. Opening scene. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is a true revival of an icon, seamlessly blending nostalgia with modern innovation. The Beetle has been a symbol of fun, simplicity, and uniqueness for decades, and Volkswagen has taken bold steps to reimagine this classic for the future. Starting with the design, the 2025 Beetle retains its unmistakable silhouette but incorporates sharper lines and futuristic touches. The LED headlights and taillights form a continuous light bar, giving it a sleek and modern look while maintaining its retro charm. The body features lightweight materials for improved efficiency, and new color options include vibrant pastels and metallic hues, bringing a playful yet premium aesthetic. Under the hood, Volkswagen offers two powertrain options. The base model features a highly efficient turbocharged 1.5-liter engine producing 150 horsepower, perfect for daily driving. But the real excitement lies in the all-electric version. Equipped with a 77 kWh battery pack, the electric Beetle offers an impressive range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. It supports fast charging, reaching 80% capacity in just 30 minutes, making it a strong contender in the growing F market. Inside, the Beetle embraces modernity without losing its quirky personality. The cabin features a dual-screen setup with a 12-inch digital driver display and a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen. It comes with VW's latest software, supporting over-the-air updates and seamless smartphone integration. The iconic flower vase is back, but this time it doubles as a wireless charging dock, a clever nod to the past with a twist of innovation. Safety is another highlight. The Beetle comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking. The electric variant even includes VW's semi-autonomous driving system, allowing for hands-free driving on select highways. With a starting price of around $30,000 for the gas version and $40,000 for the electric model, the 2025 Beetle offers excellent value. It appeals to nostalgic fans and new buyers looking for a blend of heritage and cutting-edge technology. Volkswagen's latest Beetle proves that classic cars can evolve without losing their soul. Whether you're a die-hard fan or new to the Beetle legacy, this car is bound to win hearts all over again.